Hi, Chuck Cashman, Chief Revenue Officer of MarineMax. Very excited to be talking to you today about an upcoming event, our Online Yacht Expo, December 5th through 7th. You're going to see every model from every manufacturer of yachts online. We'll have special price, special incentives. And when you find your boat of your dreams, $5,000 deposit holds it. Set up your travel, go check out the boat, and we'll get the process started. We're also going to have a personalized delivery gift when you take delivery of your new boat, personalized to your family, to your boat name. You're going to be able to view them from where you are. In that savings, we're going to pass it directly along to you. Special prices, special incentives, live chat online when you get there. If you see a boat that you like, you can chat real time with somebody about it. We'll have video walkthroughs online. We can do live video walkthroughs on demand. You let us know what you need, and we're here to take care of your needs. It's going to be an awesome event, second of its kind. Look forward to seeing you online.